In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable API in Salesforce. If you're integrating Salesforce with external tools, reporting connectors, or custom applications, you'll need API access enabled for the users who will connect. This setting controls whether a user's profile can log in through the API, which is how most integrations communicate with your Salesforce org. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with a Salesforce administrator account, since only admins can change profile permissions. Start by going to Setup. In Lightning Experience, you'll find the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click the gear, then select Setup. This opens the administrative side of Salesforce in a new tab or window where you can manage security, users, and configuration. Once Setup loads, look for the Quick Find box on the left. In that search field, type Profiles and select Profiles from the results. Profiles define what users can see and do, so any change you make here applies to every user assigned to that profile. It's a good idea to double-check which users are on a profile before you modify it, especially in production environments. Find the profile you want to grant API access to, such as a standard user profile or a custom profile created for your team. Click Edit next to that profile. Editing opens a long page of permissions and settings, organized by sections. Scroll down to the section called Administrative Permissions. This area contains high-level security and system permissions. Locate the checkbox labeled API Enabled. Checking this box allows users with this profile to authenticate through the Salesforce API, enabling connections from middleware, data loaders, integration platforms, and other tools that rely on programmatic access. After you've selected API Enabled, scroll to the bottom or top of the page and click Save. The change takes effect immediately for all users on that profile. If you're working in a sandbox, this is a great time to validate that your integration or data tool can connect successfully using a user assigned to this profile. A few tips as you wrap up. Enable API access only for the profiles that truly need it to follow the principle of least privilege. If many users don't require integrations, keep API access off for those profiles. For integration-specific users, consider dedicating a profile built for that purpose to keep permissions clear and controlled. And always coordinate with your security or compliance team if your organization has policies around external system access. That's it. API access is now enabled for the chosen profile in Salesforce.